Hey.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, do you remember that time that you came to visit me at the hospital and your mum was meant to bring you in the car, but she was ill, right? So you came on the bus. Well, do you remember how we, sing all our fears away?
Oh, yeah. We, uh... oh, we sang When the Levee Breaks. Well, quite a few times, if I remember rightly. The nurse even commented.
Oh, it was a good day. It wasn't a good day for your head, though.
Oh. It's when I came to see you, wasn't it? They stayed overnight. And every time I stood up and I was getting a paper cut of those Christmas decorations.
You really hated those Christmas decorations.
Well, it wouldn't be such a problem if they weren't so bloody long. Health and safety hazard, man.
Oh, and we had all the takeaway.
God, yeah, we ordered so much food that night.
It was so much that there was even leftovers for the nurses on the night shift. Oh. You know, I actually think spending some of my birthday in the hospital is one of my favourite memories.
Really? I thought you hated it when they all started singing happy birthday to you. Dang, you did like that Dr. Bob got you a present, didn't you?
I actually just hated that they were all singing off key. But yeah, you're right, it was nice of him. And he really didn't have to after everything he's already done for me. I wish we could just sit and sing and stuff our faces with pizza and just chat all day. But I've got my appointment in 20 minutes.
Yeah. Another day.
You know, once I'm better, or, after my next scan, we could do that. We could go somewhere.
Sounds good to me, mate. Where do you want to go?
Well, have you ever heard of the phrase Kaha?
Can't say that I have.
Well, it's something that they say in New Zealand, and it means stay strong. I think that's where I want to go. New Zealand.
Okay, mate. That's where you want to go, that's where we'll go. But first, David, you have to go for your appointment. Just answer me one thing, mate. Why? I mean, of all the people for this to happen to, why to you? You were doing so well. So well. It's not fair, mate. It's really not fair. Man, the stuff we had planned, the adventures we were going to go on, man. Just... I wish you could have come with me, man. You would have loved it. You were right. New Zealand is pretty fucking amazing. Sorry, bro. Just miss you.
glad you had fun, mate. I miss you too.